Wholesaling Quickies, the series where I try to get my idea out before your short attention span disappears. Today, we're going to be talking about should you do smaller assignment fees? You know, those little bitty tiny deals. A lot of people in the industry say, don't waste your time on doing smaller deals because they're the most difficult. They're the most time consuming. The profit, the juice isn't worth the squeeze. But I'm here to tell you, if you are going to be a virtual wholesaler, doing smaller deals is absolutely necessary. And I'm going to tell you a story and the reason why. I shared this a while ago, but the first deal that we ever did with a TU member named Claude was a small $2,500 assignment fee. Now, to most people, they would look at that and they'd say, that's not even worth the time and effort. And to be honest with you, it was a little bit difficult for us to get that deal moved. And it wasn't the most simple of wholesale transactions. However, what it did was it established a relationship with Claude as a buyer. Now, in the initial video where I talked about this story, I shared how Claude then turned around and a couple of weeks later bought a deal from us for a $25,000 assignment fee. Well, now I'm here to wrap up this story and tell you this is why you absolutely need to be doing each and every deal. And each deal then determines how much money you make. So Claude bought that deal from us for $25,000. He did a little bit of repairs. He listed it. He sold that deal on the market and made a significant amount of profit. He's a happy buyer. He's super excited. He wants to continue to work with us, and he wants more deals from Titanium Investments. So, but that's not the point in today's story. The point in today's story is that what came from us doing that deal with him led to him establishing a relationship with a realtor in that local market who just brought him a deal that he has already assigned, and it is in escrow with $10,000 non-refundable EMD for a $100,000 assignment fee. That is life-changing money from one deal. And it all stemmed from us doing that small deal, that $2,500 deal in Texas, that led to us doing a $25,000 assignment fee in Tennessee, which led to him making profit. I don't know the exact amount, but I'm going to assume that my math is correct. It was somewhere around $50,000 profit on that now has led to him making $100,000. We get love, praise, admiration from Claude as an end buyer, saying this is how wholesalers are supposed to take care of their end buyers. Now, as a virtual wholesaler, when you look at doing smaller deals, the reason why it's important to not write them off is because there are many locations throughout the United States where just due to the price point, it is damn near impossible for you to make a larger assignment fee. So if you're going to be virtual and you're going to be throughout the United States, there's going to be times where you're going to have to do a $2,500 or a $5,000 or a $7,000 assignment fee. It feeds the kitty, it feeds the machine, so you can keep doing lead generation, so you can go find those $25,000, $30,000, $50,000 assignment fees and take care of your end buyers. Bring them solid deals. It's your job to get the assignment fee, your profit, to the level in which it needs to be during acquisitions. And you do that by solving the seller's problem and bringing a great deal to your end buyer. And in the long run, it all works out. And that's where we end up with a nationwide average of a $15,000 assignment fee. So small deals, they make a difference. Now, what I want you guys to do is let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments. But regardless, show me some love, like today's video, and we'll see you guys on the next Wholesaling Quickies.